Alright, new motor. It might look the same, but it ain't. This ain't no 305 right here, buddy. The other one, it looked like a 305. This one right here, this one ain't. Now, remember I told you. So when you see me in action with this motor, same setup, same serpentine belt, everything's still the same. On the front. That's just on the front of the motor. I'm just telling y'all, you know. Alright, now this is the car though. Same car. Same good old Z28, you know. See, I'm still cutting these holes out for some 6x9s. I'm gonna have 4 of them. Already got 3 holes cut. Got 1 more left. I ain't finished cutting yet. Don't forget though, like I told y'all, same car, same old Z. We got headers, American made. Ain't no Japanese parts on this car. See these pipes? They come all the way out the back. Ain't no turn downs with this thing right here. It's cold out here too. Think I done showed y'all enough. For right now though, so I'm gonna close the hood. Like I said, same old Z28. I know it's a lot of y'all wondering who's the man behind the camera. It's none other than me, your boy. I was back. Shit ain't no game with me, man.